Hi, it's Melissa with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. So with fall season here, I just want to take this time to bring forth to you this recipe that I found on Tasty's for amazing soup. Now, I am not a soup person, never have been, but I guess since, you get a little seasoned in years, you start to take hold of different tastes. So this soup that I made, the wild rice and chicken soup, it is phenomenal. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as my family did. I add Cajun seasoning, but it's not required. I just wanted to give it a little spice. Then you want to cook chicken evenly on both sides until done. Once chicken is removed, add a tablespoon of butter to pan. Season veggies with salt and pepper and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes or until veggies are softened. Carefully remove veggies from the pan. Next, you want to add 3/4 cup of wild rice into the pan. You want to make sure you have a total of 8 cups of chicken broth, split them in half, and add half of it to the rice and let it simmer. You want to then add your Parmesan cheese. I did a mixture with mozzarella and Parmesan. Add your vegetables back. And 1 cup of heavy cream. Finally, you want to add in a half a cup of sour cream, the remaining broth, and some fresh parsley. Let it cook for a little bit